So today we're going to show you how you can run your own term life insurance quotes. I've had a lot of people ask me how can I run my own quote, and so we want to show people how they can do that right on our own website. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Google and you're going to type in Jerry C. Thomas CFP. And then you're going to find our website, which is located right here, or you'll find it down here, Jerry C. Thomas CFP Life Insurance. So we're going to go to the website, and it's going to open up right here. This is our homepage. So the next step is you got a couple different options. You can either click Run a Term Quote here, you can click the button down here, Run a Term Quote, or as you scroll down, you can click right here. So let's go ahead and click. So we'll get to this page right here, and you'll want to click the Get Started button. So once this page opens, you've got a couple different options. If you need to go back to that home page, you can click right here on the logo. If not, if you're looking to schedule a call or want to send us an email, go ahead and do those here. But here's where you're going to enter in your quoting information. So the first thing it's going to ask you is what state you're from. The reason for that is not all products are available in every state. So you're going to want to make sure that you pick the right state that you live in. The next thing you're going to want to put in is your date of birth. Now, utilizing your date of birth is going to give you a more accurate quote because life insurance is based on your actual age and more so your birth date. The next question it's going to ask is your gender. They're going to ask you if you have tobacco use. So if you do use tobacco, click yes. If you don't, click no. But let's say, for example, you only smoke cigars once a week. There are options available that are non-smoker or non-tobacco. The next thing it's going to ask you is your health. Now you're going to have a couple different options here. Preferred Plus are like your marathon runners, people that have really good health, no adverse issues in terms of rock climbing or scuba diving, or let's say, for example, any poor family history, parents that have heart disease or diabetes. And then you're going to have your standard rate and those options in between. So depending on what your height and weight is and what your health is, you might want to pick standard or you might want to go with a preferred plus rate. So we'll keep it at preferred plus. And then you're going to be able to pick what type of coverage you want to look at. So here we have 10, 15, 20-year terms. We also have return of premium options. And then if you wanted to look at options that are guaranteed longer than a 30-year term, you could guarantee them to age 90, 95, 100, and 105. And then you're going to want to look at your face amount. So in this option, we're going to look at $1 million term policy for 10-year term. So the next thing you're going to have to do is put in your name, phone number, and then your email. And click View Quotes. So now you'll be able to sort your information based on premium. So let's say we want to see who has the lowest monthly premium. You can click here, go down to monthly, and all of a sudden you have a different change. Now if you wanted to look at annual rates, click annual. You'll notice that changes. There's not a big difference between these numbers. As you can tell, it might be $1 to $2, maybe $3 at most on a monthly basis. Or you can go by carrier name. Most people want to look at a monthly rate, so we'll go with monthly. And then the next step is to click Select. Now if you're ready to move forward or at this point in time you want to review these options, you could click Select and you'll be able to submit this information and we'll receive a copy of that and then we'll try to schedule a phone call with you to review the information. If not, if you're not interested in moving forward, just leave it like that. So that's how you review term life insurance quotes online.